Well, the man convicted of killing Molly Tibbetts will spend the rest of his life in prison without the possibility of parole. A judge sentenced Christian Bahena Rivera this afternoon, more than 3 months after his conviction. Local 5's John Diaz joins us from the courthouse in Poweshiek County, where that sentencing took place. And John, today's hearing, it was brief but significant.
Yeah, that's right, Stephanie. It has been several weeks since that sentencing was supposed to take place. It was delayed because of motions filed by Christian Bahena Rivera's defense team. But today, a sense of closure 3 years after the murder of Molly Tibbetts. Now, today in court, we heard a statement from Molly's mother, and it was read by a representative from the state attorney general's office. Now, in that statement, Molly's mom details the days following the discovery of Molly's body in that Iowa cornfield and the lasting impact on family and friends. Now, Iowa Code calls for life in prison in these cases, but the judge still going into why he felt that sentence is appropriate. We also heard from prosecutor Scott Brown after the hearing.
The nature of the offense committed by you, the harm to the victim and the victim's family, your need for rehabilitation, and the necessity for protecting the community from further offenses by you and others. Mr. Bahena Rivera, you and you alone forever changed the lives of those who love Molly Tibbetts.
It's been a little over 3 years since Molly was murdered, and a little over 3 years also since she was found. So it's been a long haul for the family and for those of us that have been prosecuting the case, investigating it. So we're just very pleased with the result and finally got it to the finish line.
Bahena Rivera and his attorneys are expected to appeal this conviction to the Iowa Supreme Court. They have 30 days to do that. So, of course, we will be watching for that. But as we said, this is a significant step in the process. But, Stephanie, it may not be over, depending on what happens with that potential appeal. For now, we are live in Poweshiek County. John Diaz, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
All right, John, an emotional day. Thank you very much. Well, 3 more things to know about the sentencing. Today was pushed back due to motions filed by Bahena Rivera's defense team. The judge denied both. A life in prison with parole for first-degree murder is mandatory under Iowa law. Restitution for a first-degree murder conviction is $150,000 in Iowa. You can catch up on Bahena Rivera's trial at weareiowa.com.